Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to download CapCut on PC. First method is to download from Google using any browser. Open any browser and search for CapCut.com. Here you can see a number of options such as sign up for free, edit video online and download for Windows. As soon as we will click on the download for Windows button, it will ask for the location to save the setup. After downloading, run it from that location to install CapCut. Now, the second method is more easier. If you are on Windows, you can easily install it from Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, search for CapCut. Click on this CapCut icon. Here you can see the CapCut PC interface and install button also. Click on the install button and the download process will begin. In this method, we do not have to run the setup. CapCut will be installed automatically. Here you can see installed is showing. That means CapCut is properly installed on PC. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.